Can you give a short, description of how your day should look like? What should your routine be like? Sleeping at what time, waking up at what time, sunlight. If you could just give us like a description of an ideal routine.
An ideal routine always is waking up early.
Okay.
So when you wake up early, you always have time for meal preps, fresh food, exercise, mindfulness. Start the day with engaging conversations. Then you have your breakfast on time. Pack your meals from home because you will have time for meal preps, even for the day and even for the night. So your everything is sorted. You go work because you've already had a good exercise, good breakfast. You will be very mindful, you'll be attentive. You finish your work, have your meal on time, have at least good amount of hydration and a snack in the evening that is packed. Come back at least by 6-7 o'clock in the evening. Finish your dinner, which is sitting ready because your meal prep is done. You woke up early. And during dinner conversations, it should be a family time. Talk about the day. Do not engage into televisions and all that. Then wind up for the day once your dinner is done. After sunset, dinner is done. Wind up for the day. Then starts engaging time, healthy conversations, family time. Then probably a little bit of meal prep time and cleanliness for the day, for the next day. Unwind by 9 o'clock into the bedroom because you should always have a good sexual life also. Close the day by 10 o'clock and get up early by 5 o'clock. An ideal pattern which was the norm in every household. Eventually this was the thing that used to happen. And we were fighting with infectious diseases. But now we are no more fighting with infectious diseases that much. We are fighting with non-infectious diseases because of hampered timings.
I can't help but ask this, ma'am, because I know the ideal routine is, sleeping on time, waking up early, but because of how the habits that we've inculcated over time, right, it's of course difficult to get to that point, and everybody should try to get there. But for those who are not able to avoid it for, say, reasons such as, they cannot quit their job, they absolutely need to do that night shift. So in those cases, does it still make a difference if we're doing everything else right and still sleeping 8 hours? Does that still help?
It is not that it will help, but yes, mindfulness helps, eating pattern stabilizing helps, box breathing and improving your overall oxygen carrying capacity helps. And we've always had days when we overnight fast and overnight stay awake. Culturally also there are certain things that improve in that way. But consistently if you're doing this, you will have to face problems. And this is eventually what has been seen. That's why whenever you're having night shifts, it is not the entire life you're going to have night shifts. You just have for a certain amount of days and then you get back to the day shift. At least that kind of a routine will be little better.
Okay.
But eventually it is going to impact you in the long run.